We all know Tesla for its futuristic cars and self-driving tech, but did you know there are some mind-blowing secrets behind the company? Ready? Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back to InfoBee. Now before we dive into the lesser-known aspects of Tesla, let's take a moment to appreciate the vision behind this groundbreaking company. Have you ever wondered what inspired the creation of Tesla Motors? It wasn't just about making electric cars. It was about revolutionizing the automotive industry and pushing the boundaries of technology. Quick question, who do you think founded Tesla? If you said Elon Musk, think again. Tesla was founded by Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning in 2003. Yes! These visionaries were driven by the desire to create a high-performance electric vehicle that could compete with traditional gasoline cars. They wanted to prove that electric cars could be fast, efficient, and environmentally friendly. But the real game changer came in 2004 when Elon Musk joined the company as its largest investor. With Musk's ambitious vision and relentless drive, Tesla started to transform from a startup into a global powerhouse. He took on the role of CEO and led the company through numerous challenges, constantly pushing for innovation and excellence. Thanks to the combined efforts of Eberhard, Tarpenning, and Musk, Tesla has become a leader in the electric vehicle market, setting new standards for performance, sustainability, and technological advancement. Can you guess which car Tesla's first model was based on? If you guessed Lotus Elise, you're right. The 2008 Tesla Roadster was actually built on a Lotus Elise chassis, but Tesla swapped the gas engine for an electric motor. How long do you think a Tesla battery can last? 200,000 miles? 500,000? Try 1 million miles. Tesla has been working on a revolutionary million-mile battery that could make EVs last way longer than gas cars. Game changer, right? What's the weirdest thing you think Tesla has sold? A Tesla bike? A Tesla spaceship? Nope. Tesla actually sold limited edition surfboards for $1,500, and they sold out in 24 hours. Then they made Tesla Tequila, shaped like a lightning bolt, selling for $250 a bottle. Did you know Tesla has a car that's not on Earth? Now here's a cool fact about Tesla's Roadster. In 2018, Elon Musk's personal Roadster was launched into space aboard the Falcon Heavy rocket. Right now, it's orbiting the sun at 23,000 miles per hour, with a dummy astronaut named Starman inside. Space travel just got a whole lot cooler. It's a vision of a future where technology and imagination know no bounds. How big do you think Tesla's biggest factory is? As big as a shopping mall? A football stadium? Think bigger! Tesla's Giga factory in Texas is the second largest building in the world by volume. It's so massive that you could fit 15 Disneylands inside it. But here's the secret sauce. Tesla's Gigafactory 1 in Nevada is on track to be the largest building in the world by footprint. And it's powered entirely by renewable energy. And Tesla isn't stopping with just one Gigafactory. Who here has ever wished their car could drive itself? Well, Tesla is making that dream come true. Tesla's Autopilot can steer, brake, and even change lanes all by itself. But here's the crazy part. It learns from other Teslas on the road. It's like one big superbrain that keeps getting smarter the more people use it. So next time you see a Tesla on the road, remember it's not just another car. It's a glimpse into the future of driving. And now let's take a moment to explore the lighter side of Tesla. Here's a fun tidbit. If you tap the Autopilot stalk 4 times, your screen turns into a glowing rainbow road, just like the game. Would you try this? Guess what? Tesla cars have fart mode. You can play different fart sounds from any seat in the car, and even time it with turn signals. Absolute comedy gold. Have you ever seen a movie where a robot takes over? Well, Tesla cars have a HAL 9000 mode inspired by a super old sci-fi movie. If you turn it on, your car's screen turns red and looks like an evil AI. Creepy or cool? What do you think? It's clear that Tesla knows how to have a little fun while pushing the boundaries of technology. Tesla is full of surprises. Which fact was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you love fun facts like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.